Alright, here we are, folks, River Falls, Wisconsin. First time since 2007 that this show has been on. FFA is putting it on this year. It's out behind the total excavating area. It's pretty cool. We've been here when we were kids, and now it's brought back. But first and foremost, I want to thank our sponsors for this year. You got NLR Derby Parts, XP Derby Parts, GH Graphics, Big River Lawn Care, and Mini Mania. And big shout out to our boss, John Doerr, again, this weekend's. It's been a long weekend. We've been at 3 shows. Day 3. Day 3, I'm sorry, I didn't really study up on this show. It's been so busy. Chisago County Fair, Friday and Saturday night was such a blast. A lot of cars up there. And here we go. So, I believe, looking at it, we have compacts, we're going to have minivans, and I believe we have full
size.
I think it's a limited well full size.
Something like that, yeah.
So
we're not going to be live streaming, but where can they watch the videos after?
So also, yeah, right here, Grinding Gears TV on our YouTube. Sorry, shirt's a little dirty. I couldn't find a good one.
It's been a long weekend.
Like I said, it's been a long weekend. I've been gone since Friday at 10 a.m. and I just got home at 11, and we're right back here at the track at noon. So if you want to come with us and talk a little bit about cars, you want to comment, put a shout out. We can give shout outs. Just let us know. Here we go. We got a couple of compacts right away. I have no idea what they are.
This one looks like MWFA. Actually, probably both of them.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know if they had the MWFA or not for this one, but that car right there, that black and red, he actually won the pumpkin brawl last year in Ellsworth. Yeah, like I said, minivans. I mean, should be a really good show. We've not seen this show in 19 years. If you look though, you have all sorts. You got some pre-rans, and you also have fresh cars. So everybody's got a fair shot. It's really just about driving skill and a lot of luck. There's a lot of luck involved. You see some other cars some cars are perfectly ready, and guys are just chilling, and other guys are still working on them. It's just the type of sport this is.
The car is never done until it's in the scrapyard.
And sometimes even then you wish you had it back. Like, man, I think I could have got one more out of it. If you look over there, you start seeing some of our full-size guys. Who's that? Stern?
70 Stern, 22 Kean O'Neill.
Yeah. So you do around our area. We do have some big name Blizzard Bash national team drivers. As you know, Stern is his dad's pretty famous for being a freaking mad dog driver. But like I said, you see, we got a mix of everything. We're really hoping we're going to see some names here that we haven't seen in quite a while.
I see Naders was here.
Yep, Nader.
He's been to quite a few of the shows we've been to.
Yep. Naders has also helped us out through the years. He's had a GoPro and stuff on.
Maybe eventually that'll be a derby car.
Well, it is an Imperial. It's a 4-door though, so but it's clean. It's a really nice looking car. Trey Lind, I don't know if I've ever heard of him.
Hunter Schallstad, they came from quite a ways away to get here.
Yeah, that's probably a 2-hour drive for him. He got a very, very nice looking Vic. It's clean. As you can see, they're using a little bit of everything. He's got chain, he's got 9-wire, and all thread on this freaking car. So, but then you go over to here, and now you look at this car. He's
bone stock.
I mean, this thing's bone stock going on in the same class. So, but then over to here now, looks like you got another compact, a little bit more built, a little bit more heavy duty. These are your chain cars around our area. There's not much chain about anything around here anymore, which sucks. If you seen us yesterday with me and Dalton out on the camera, you know why I said that. Because when me and John started running, it was legit. You were allowed 6 chains per side. And then you were allowed 4 on your hood and 4 in your trunk. And you could put a full-size bumper on the front, and that was it. That was a chain car. Now chain cars chain cars nowadays consist of freaking plates, adding metal to the bumpers, freaking
Here, got a question for you.
You ready to wreck it today?
Come on, buy some raffle tickets. Come on.
No.
You got enough people to work.
In a little bit. I'll buy some a little bit.
There you
So
go.
also,
I'm coming back.
She'll come
also
back, trust
right
me.
there, they're selling tickets. They got, I believe it's just I don't know what kind of minivan
What?
it is.
How much is it per ticket?
Yep.
I'll sell you 15 for $100.
So you get 15 tickets for $100.
For $100.
You'll be able to see it in a little bit later in our videos, but they built a raffle minivan. So I mean, you could
We're live. So.
have a chance to win that thing and drive it, maybe even win the purse, and you have zero work put into it other than just showing up.
Which is
So-
what we're buying raffles.
And that's what the
for.
raffles are for. So
Come
if you show up to the show, it does start at 2 o'clock. So, but
And we're matching tickets today.
matching
Oh,
tickets.
Matching tickets.
Yeah.
Tops
Close
and
to us.
tickets.
Yeah,
Right there, baby.
see, she's wearing that just for grinding gears.
Absolutely.
So,
Can't find it, grind it.
so.
I'll be back for you boys.
Sounds good.
Yeah. It. If you look over there, maybe we can get quickie. We get a quickie with Dixie.
A quickie with Dixie?
Quickie with
We're
Dixie.
live.
We're live, man.
I can do a quickie. I'm always in. Excuse me.
All right, Dixie.
What's up, brother? How you
How
doing?
you
man?
doing?
Really good.
So we're live. You're with Grinding Gears. You've helped us out a bunch. We've asked you questions to help us out. What do you think? It's been 19 years since this show has been put on. What are you thinking right now?
Dude, this is awesome, you guys. I said earlier, Small Town USA is the backbone of Demolition Derby. So to see a show like this almost 20 years later come back into Small Town USA is unbelievable. And then they got awesome guys, you know, all of this, Total Excavation to step up and do what they've done. I mean, they've done it for polling forever, but then to bring the facility out and have fun with the FFA and the Demolition Derby, I mean, it is Small Town USA right back on the map again.
Nope. So we got a decent car count. What were you thinking when you came here? You think we were going to get this many, or you think it was going to be smaller?
All right, I got to be honest. I hate to say it. I thought it was going to be tougher. I thought it was going to be smaller. The car count is really good. A lot of people, it's like if you don't know if you can swim, you don't jump in the deep end of the pool, right?
Yep.
And these guys right here, they're testing the waters. They want to see what it's all about. I think you're going to see a lot of drivers in the stands seeing what's going on and seeing for next year, So hats off to all the builders and everybody that is here to support it. It's awesome to see a Peterson, It's like, you go back to this place used to be a bloodbath back in the day between the families.
Yeah, Petersons and Owens, man. It was the same thing at the Ellsworth County Fair, too.
Yeah, and so it's super cool. So you guys go back and look at some of the history and see what River Falls is all about. I mean, there are so many great small town shows all across Wisconsin here. And you guys, Grinding Gears, you guys do an awesome job, exploiting them. So that's really cool, showing the heart of the sport over here in Wisconsin.
Well, we were in Chisago County up in Rush City for 2 days.
Yeah.
They had the biggest truck turnout they've had in 14 years on Friday night. They had 27 full limited weld. They had 25 gut and go.
Yeah. You guys, I shouldn't say it, but I mean, we were in the Black Hills. We were watching everything that you guys were doing. And then yesterday driving home, we were watching it. It was. I mean, the stuff that you guys put on Facebook and everything like that, all those teasers are absolutely amazing. The quality of your guys' cuts and rips now are getting so good. Not like you guys weren't good to begin with, but I'm just saying you guys are getting things figured out, and you guys got a great opportunity out there to exploit so many different things and show the Derby family. I mean, the Free 99 family's jumping on and loving what you guys are doing. So, no, keep up the good work.
Well, on this, even what we're doing right now, somebody in the stands had mentioned to us doing this, because we used to just, one guy would walk around with the camera.
Right.
And they're saying, well, why don't you try following around on a live, and the other guy talking. And we gained, and it's thank you to all our subscribers, we gained 190 people following just from that.
Yep. One simple thing.
So,
one simple movement, you guys,
And
and it is.
We're open to feedback, so
yeah, if you guys have any feedback to help us out or give you a better show, we're always open to suggestions. And like I said, we picked Tixie's brain a bunch. I mean, he was my first ever interview, and I was so nervous I could hardly talk.
Oh my
And I
God!
know the guy.
Whatever. You've
know
known
the
you
guy.
forever, dude. It's like, and we're nobodies. We're just out here having fun. But the biggest thing is, you guys out there, like, share, follow. That's the biggest thing. Like, share, and follow. Let everybody know how awesome it is and what it is. And you know, it's like that's the thing that keeps things getting bigger and better and everything like that. Like you guys up there in Rush. I mean, you know, Rush is a wild place. Now here in a couple weeks, we got Pine City.
Yep.
Pine City.
Yep. And they're looking
40
at
birds, I
40.
think.
So I was just with two of the builders yesterday,
Yeah.
and they're looking at 45 of them. They're telling them to be up there at 8 o'clock with their birds to get there for inspection on Friday. They got to be there at 8 a.m. for inspection. They're looking at the biggest purse they've ever had. There's roughly 15 to 20,000 up for grabs just on first place alone. And that's just one class.
It's insane. It's
It's
insane, you
crazy.
guys. If everything works out, I'm going to try to sneak up there and do a little TSL behind the scenes and show some stuff. I was just talking to Trey Glossy and Casey, and you know, so there's some awesome stuff going on up there, and it is. But once we got to come back to here, you guys. We're in River Falls 2026. You guys, hats off to Total Excavation and all of the workers and everybody to put that track together and everything like that. I mean, this stuff is just gang. I mean, it's real.
And for me, a River Falls native, I grew up here. I watched this show from I was this tall until they quit doing it.
Yep.
And I wish I could run, but you know what? Somebody's got to do the camera work.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm devastated because I had my Arkansas car, and Naders has busted his tail, fixing a couple things on it, fired it up. It's got a blown head gasket on one side.
Oh, no.
And Nate was going to just throw gaskets in it. Well, it's Nate's good motor. I'm like, Nate, I said, until we get those heads checked, you know, because everybody knows you throw a set of warped heads on a block, you can wreck the block too.
Yeah.
So it's like, nope. And he was going to do it, risk his engine for me. And then Hunter Pottinger, he had his Arkansas car at my place. He goes, Tix, I'll stub it. I'll grab a stub, I'll stub it for you. They knew I wanted to run here so bad it absolutely hurt it. You guys, we pulled in 1:30 this morning from Colorado, from our family trip from the Black Hills, Colorado to Greeley, to the Frank family, to the Black Hills. Had a great time out there. Went to Red Rock, and coming back in, we pulled into the RV at 1:30 this morning. And it's like, so I wasn't even here to help these guys, and to have two great friends like that offer that up, that shows what Demolition Derby truly is.
Yep. Well, same thing. You know, I hate getting away from River Falls, but same thing Mike Colton said yesterday. He couldn't find an axle. Went through 3 different rear ends trying to find an axle, couldn't find the right spline. He called up Kyle Wiener. Kyle had an axle for him. Gave it to him. Well, Kyle also put the hurting on it, and he broke that axle off the car. So
Isn't that funny how that works? That's my part, but I'll still wreck that son of a gun. You know, let's do it.
So, anyways, we wanted to just say thank you. And
Hey, don't thank
remember,
you guys.
where are you
Thank
gonna-
you guys. Grinding
where are you
Gears
gonna find
TV.
this?
Grinding Gears TV right here, you guys. River Falls 2026. Let's get this thing bigger and better than ever, because I'll tell you what, I would love to have a grudge match against the old names out here again. I mean, there's some amazing drivers and builders out here. You know, I mean, when you sit there and look at it, you know, it's like and actually, I want to say something. I remember running against a bunch of these guys as dads. You know, so I'm one of the old idiots of this sport, and it's so cool watching these. They're not even kids anymore. You know? These are grown adult men with families and everything like that. 2nd and 3rd generation Demolition Derby. You guys, the soul of Demolition Derby right here. I mean, if you threw a dart anywhere on this side of Wisconsin, that dart's going to land with an amazing family, amazing history of Demolition Derby. So just super proud to be here. A hometown guy. This is crazy.
Yep. Nobody in my family ever actually derbied before. That guy right there behind the camera actually helped me get into my first car, and I was the only car to show up.
Well, I mean, there you go. You got a perfect streak. Don't wreck that.
That was my first ever show. We showed up to Roberts. I was the only car to show up for my class. They gave me the money and the trophy. It was what it is. That's how it goes. the next year there were 30 cars there for that class. So
You
but
just
that
never
shows
know.
you're gonna see it this year, and you might see, oh, there was only like 3 in that class. I could have a pretty good chance. So come on out next year. If you can't be here this year, otherwise get in the stands, or if you don't want to do that, go watch on YouTube. We'll have it up sometime this week within YouTube.
There it is, you guys. Once again, you guys, Grinding Gears TV. You guys like, share, follow. Make sure you get that stuff out there. They're doing amazing things. I'd like to see these guys jump on TSL sometimes and give us some of their footage and let them use that site to do some too, because what you guys got going over here is just amazing. And you know, the support to the small town USA. That's what the family wants to see. So
it ain't nothing against you guys and going to those bigger shows, but you know as well as I do, sometimes those bigger shows turn into a bag fest.
they do.
You go to Chicago County, you watch the last night. Those guys
Chicago
are going
County, right.
hard. I mean, the limited well class was 4 Imperials, and Danny Peralt never let off the freaking throttle.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I don't know, we're hearing motors fire up here. Things are going to get real here real soon, you guys. If you guys are anywhere around the River Falls area, get your over here and just enjoy it, you guys. The beer's cold, the sun's out. Bring some suntan lotion, bring some sunscreen, bring whatever you want. Just get over here and enjoy the show, you guys. Hey, Grinding Gears, thanks for what you guys are doing, man.
Thanks, Dixie.
Appreciate it, brother. Take care, you guys.
You too. All right.
That was a heck of a quickie. Quickie with Dixie.
Nothing's ever quick like that.
Once again, hey, that could be something we do when we see him. We can do quickies with Dixie. It sounds a little odd, but you know what? That guy is always on our side. He owns Track Shot Live, I think, right?
Yep.
He owns Track Shot Live, or part of it. And he's been there from us from day one. He was actually our very first interview we ever did with Grinding Gears. But anyways, you keep coming here. More back to River Falls. Right here, we got a couple compacts. I assume they must be both Petersons. You see, they're a little bit different built. Every car is built different. You're never going to see 2 cars that are the exact same. Compacts are pretty cool. We love them. We do at Grinding Gears. We're compact guys. But over here, this is what everybody wants to see. Full-size cars. You have Crown Vic.
Looks like
Looks like
town
what's left
car.
of a Lincoln. It actually looks pretty hard. If I can get Johnny to go to the front end, you'll see why that front end probably looks pretty devastating. Looks to be how much pointy?
Something.
Well,
Nope, that's a 726.
So, yep, Cody Knuth 726 Customs bumper. Those bumpers are hard. They're not very fun to be on the receiving end of. But if you look in close there, you'll see they've actually cut plates off of that frame for this show just to come here and run. So there's a lot more cars here than what we even thought there was going to be, which is awesome. You never know coming to the first time show. Hey, look at this, we're 40 minutes from start time. We still got cars rolling in. Looks like another Lincoln town car bubble though. That's a bubble. The one next to it is square body. A lot of Vics though. Vics are so popular around here. It's ridiculous. They're probably one of the most popular full-size cars there are right now.
We got a couple Kishers. They came a long ways too.
Yep. Where are they? They're from Pine Island, right?
I believe so.
Pine Island. They're out of Pine Island. Yeah. See there, they're both sticked and ready to go. Small tire cars. A little bit different than what we seen last night. The guys here, they're going to be allowed to run skid loaders on the back versus up northern Minnesota areas, they can only run straight treads. Keep them right here at the end of the track. Another compact, another hard car. Looks like a Toyota Camry.
I'd say it's a Camry.
Either a Camry or Solera.
Camry.
Camry.
I'd say it's a Camry.
Was it Solera or Alero?
Soleros are 2 doors.
Really? Okay. Well, I never planned to be perfect. But anyways, we want to thank you guys for coming with on that little pit walk. I know it was a little bit long, but remember to like, follow, subscribe. We're on Grinding Gears TV. We're on YouTube. We've got stuff on DerbyNation.tv from the last 2 nights as well. If you want to catch it over there, we also got us on Facebook. Thank you guys for being the help. Yeah.